welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be doing some stretched mini twists. My hair right now is in some deep conditioner. I just finished steaming my hair. I'm gonna rinse it out and then I'm going to prep my hair for air drying. Not literal air drying, but the Revair is called reverse air drying. So for some reversed air drying. Okay, so I rinsed my hair. Now I'm gonna just section it into quadrants and I'm using my homemade conditioner, about that much. Just try to evenly distribute it throughout. And with my tangle teaser, I'm just gonna detangle and work it in so that all the sections are covered. I'm gonna take some of my homemade butter, and I want to use a little bit. I don't want to use a whole lot. Just want to lock in some moisture, just a light amount of it. I am struggling because I'm not used to using only a little bit. I'm used to using a whole lot. So this is a struggle to only use a little bit for me. Do this. So I just want to take a little bit and spread it across my fingers and work it into my scalp. And then I'm gonna just move on to the other sections and just do the same thing pretty much. Guys, I'm back, so I finished doing the rest of my hair. So I'm gonna grab a t-shirt and let this kind of like soak up some of the water. And then I'm gonna start this process. I sat in the t-shirt for about 15 minutes. Get my hair pretty stretched. Take some yellow twisting flag. And then some of my butter to lock that in.